Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today we're in Glenhazel looking at a wardrobe which is filled with damp. It really smells bad. This mold can affect your health. It's a spore that grows when algae propagates, just like a mushroom seed gets given off as a dust and you ingest it in your ear, nose and throat, and it germinates, causing bronchial problems. In the severe cases, we see children's noses bleeding continuously. So how do we fix this? We remove the carcass and we store this wardrobe under cover until the repair is finished. What repair would we be doing? We're going to be stripping the plaster off the walls in the footprint of this wardrobe, waterproofing the brick, and then putting back the wardrobe at the end. The damp proofing is going to be extending towards the outside of the wardrobe, as you can see bubbles there, cracks with raised surfaces there, and along this wall. Why do we do this wall? Because we've got a higher floor level outside. The garden level outside is illegal to be higher than the ground floor level inside. The law says that the garden level needs to be lower than the ground floor level. And this is to stop water entering in on top of the damp proof course, which spans the floor of this unit. We've also got multiple points of entry. So we've got a flat roof above this wardrobe that needs to be waterproofed. We've also got a flower box outside this bathroom, which is again higher than the interior floor level. And this flower box needs to be emptied. We either remove it or we can waterproof it and put back the plants by putting in aeration, if you followed us on previous videos. If you'd like your house to be high and dry with no mold, please reach out and connect with us and make it a great day.